of the world of cars. Disney's Planes presents Dusty.
There you go, Captain. Topped off with the finest jet fuel in Prop Wash Junction.
Roger that.
Take care!
Whoa, don't see that every day, huh, Chug?
Yep, Dusty. An engine that powerful only takes the top-of-the-line jet fuel. It keeps those afterburners blazing.
Awesome.
Well, there you go, Dusty.
Thanks, Chug.
No problem. It's the wrong fuel.
Не ваше дело! On your right! Whoa! My fault! Sorry, Thornhill! Uh-oh! No, no!
Dusty! Sorry. Are you okay? Say something.
That was awesome!
Who is the blade who defies gravity? Making gravity back down first! El Chupacabra! Who is the plane who breaks wind? Plane who breaks wind! And it stays broken. El Chupacabra! El Chupacabra! Who is the plane whose mask? Who is the plane whose mask has its own mask?
Ooh. El Chupacabra.
Who is this plane? Who is this plane? This super plane? He goes only by one name. El Chupacabra!
El Chupacabra? Isn't that the monster that siphons your fuel?
It is a stage name used to strike fear into the hearts of my opponents. Are you fear? Are you not? Fear into the hearts of my opponents. Are you not struck with fear?
Struck, but like graced with fear.
Oh yeah, like wicked grace.
Yeah, graced.
If I may continue, if I may continue, por favor. The blade, the myth, the legend,
look out!
El Chupacabra!
Legends aren't born, they're built. For speed, I am Red Slinger! 10 years ago, air racing needed a new star. So I gave it one. Now I'm known all over the world as a beloved role model and a racing champion. Yet sometimes I feel lost and empty as I look for the answer to life's greatest mystery. Is there an awesome? Is there an awesome beyond awesome, or is awesome the most awesome I will ever be? Perhaps I'll never know. Still, onward I quest. Ever in pursuit of the one thing I love almost as almost as much as myself. Victory, baby! To be this good, it takes velocity, tenacity, and most of all, humility. Red Slinger!
Who does your
No more questions. No more questions. Thank you for coming, everyone. We look forward to seeing you at the race. Look forward to seeing you at the race.
Ashani, do you really think the race can be won by a girl?
I said no more questions. Questions.
Actually, I'd like to answer that one. When life shifts into the fast lane, time flies, it doesn't stop for any plane. Don't try to be. Any more questions?
Нет.